everyone. Today we are going to make this fantastic lemonade stand for me to give away to a local kid here in the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky area. So we have just about everything we need for this project currently in the barn out of most of our reclaimed materials, but I do need to grab a couple things just for finishing touches. I want to grab a really nice top. I think we're going to use a project panel for that. Then I want to grab some 1x3 so that we can do some trim work on it and just make it look a little bit nicer. Let's go grab it. This paint grade project panel is going to be absolutely perfect for the top. It's going to make it a lot easier, it's going to look a lot nicer, and we're going to be able to get going on a project a lot faster. Sometimes you just got to pay for convenience. So my friend Tim has been big into this whole rustic yet refined side of things. So using a lot of reclaimed elements and making it look a bit more rustic, but at the same time doing some refined pieces, so it's a good juxtaposition of the two design elements. So we're going to go with select grade 1x3s for the trim. All right, because this is an outdoor project, those pine panels that we just picked up, we're gonna wanna make sure to seal and make a little bit weatherproof. So we're gonna grab a can of this Hellsman spar urethane. This stuff's fantastic at keeping things semi-waterproof. I wouldn't leave it outside all summer, but it'll do just fine if it gets rained on or if something spills on it. All right, so our materials include a 16 inch thick piece of pine project panel, 8 feet long. Let's see here, 5 8-foot 2x4s, 5 8-foot 1x3s, a long scrap of barnwood with plenty of character, and just about 16 pallet wood slats. Let's get to work. everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. We'd really appreciate it. If you really liked what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. By you subscribing to our channel, you're going to see more of what is coming in the future here with Barn Rat Studio. We're going to try and be more intentional about the videos we're coming out and the frequency that they're coming out. As usual, down in the description below is going to be links to all things Barn Rat Studio, our website, our Instagram, our Facebook, all that fun stuff. Go ahead and give us a follow on the socials. And till next time, see you folks.